This is the Belfry shopping centre in Redhill. First to the lift in Boots, which is an unidentified 90s goods lift. This lift is completely original, except for the fact that it has horrid cheap fixtures and a horrid cheap bodged voice made in China. This is a goods lift in Boots in Redhill, and it's been modernised, but it can only remember one call at a time. Doesn't need you to break the safety circuit. It's still got the original logic. The voice has been bodged in and it's horrible. Dewhurst. These are the main lifts, which have been modernised by Kone. And I think they have eco-disc motors. They've been modernised into eco-disc.
Car park level 3. Going down.
And now to Marks and Spencer's lift, and oh dear, US85. These look like Furse or express lifts, which have been modernised. They still retain a lot of their character. It's slow though. Upper department store. Lower department